Hello, I'm Richard Hunter and welcome to our look ahead for the week commencing the 15th of July. Yet again, US markets are continuing to nudge all-time record highs. This, of course, is on the back of a reasonably strong economy, but in particular, some dovish comments from the Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell earlier in the week, such that the market is pretty much considering that an interest rate cut at the Federal Reserve meeting at the end of July is pretty much now nailed on. In fact, the S&P 500 has nudged intraday the level of 3,000 for the first time ever a few times over the last few days, and indeed in the year to date the S&P 500 is now up 20%. We already know, of course, that the Nasdaq's had a very good year, 23% up in the year to date, and indeed the Dow Jones Industrial Average also up 16%. Even the FTSE 100 is having a pretty good 2019 so far, partially helped by some weakness in sterling after the last week, up 12% in the year to date. So as we move into next week, there's some more important economic announcements we can look forward to give us a better idea of the direction of travel. In terms of retail sales, these will be released in both the US and the UK. And in terms of the UK alone, there are also some inflation figures coming out during the week. It's a bit quieter on the company side. There's a couple of ones that might be worth keeping an eye out for. There's a trading statement from Burberry. As usual, the Asian consumer will be the focus there. There's some full year numbers from Sports Direct. They've had a fairly tough year in terms of the share price. That's dropped about 38%, and perhaps some lower profits are expected. So that will be one to watch. In terms of other trading statements, the recent relegation victim from the FTSE 100, EasyJet, also got a trading statement. Of course, as we are now in the crucial summer trading period, it will be interesting to see exactly how they are faring. In terms of other companies, there's also a trading statement from moneysupermarket.com, but generally speaking, company results are going to start ramping up over the next few weeks. Thank you for watching. Have a great week.